G'day everyone, welcome to my Let's Play of the Space Astronomy mod pack for Minecraft. My name is CorvusSG and today we're going to build a tier 2 rocket so we can go to Mars. We're also going to build a buggy, both of which will complete quests in this mod pack. So let's get on with it. As you can see, we've just had a blood moon. The night is just ending. I thought it would be a good time to start, so let's get on with things here. Now, in my last episode I'd collected the moon buggy and tier 2 rocket schematics, so we'll start off with the moon buggy since I've got everything I need here. Okay, there's fireworks going off. The seat I think goes there, and there. Ooh, we're missing a where are we? No. Missing one of these. I think that's right. Let's try that again. Okay. Oops. So that. Those. And where's the seat? There's the seat. So here we go. We now have a moon buggy. This needs to be refueled. It needs a buggy pad to go. I'm probably not going to use it since I can fly everywhere I need to go anyway, as you can see. But it's cool, and we've got that. That'll complete a quest for us. Where are we next? So the next thing we need, I'll put that in there. Let's move some other things in here. Next thing to build is the tier 2 rocket. Now this is what will get us to Mars. So put the cone in there, these here, just there. We need the rocket engine, the heavy plates, and bam, we have a tier 2 rocket. So let's go and place this on the pad. It's very similar to the first one, except it has these extra boosters just between the fins. So let's put this on here. Let's see if it's, oops. Let's see, need to get out. How's the fuel going? Oops, don't want that. Does it need to be filled? Let's have a look. Inventory. It's nearly full. So we'll put another canister in, and that should fill it up for us. Okay. How are we going here? Delete again. There we go. 100% full. So I will collect these first, so there's a way back. Well, I need fuel, I need, oops, hitting the wrong buttons there. I'm going to need at least those. That will do. So, let's go to Mars. Oops, I'll get it right. And into space we go. Left the atmosphere and we're blasting off for our second trip into space. I've taken time to build a few things that we need to get back and forth, and another one of those portals, teleporting. Here we go, we're nearly in space. Now we want to go to Mars. Now I could create a space station here again. I don't have the parts for it, so I won't do that. But let's go to, I think I just Aha, there we go. That's what I want. Now, hopefully this hasn't broken my recording. Nope, looks like we're right. Right, here we go. I'm in the lander. This one bounces, unlike the moon lander. I don't think I can control this either. I sort of just bounce around until it finishes. I'm in the bottom of a canyon here. Okay. Now, how do I get out? There we go. That's it. Everything is there. Let's have a look around. We're on Mars. This is really cool. Surface. Now this is where I need to get certain things like dash, which is a material I need to make certain things for future missions, and also to complete quests. The special underwear. Let's find a place. Actually, I should have marked that area so I could come back to it. So let's go back here. I might actually mark this as the landing site because it's a little bit better. B. I think that's a good colour. It should stand out. Yes, it will. Now, I suppose one of the first things I should do is probably build a base. And there's probably not a bad spot for it, so I'll do that there. Let's have a quick look around. And I see a meteor. Is that just meteoric iron? No, that's an egg. And so's that. And this is something you can get on Mars, is slimelings. You can make pets out of those and use them on the planet. I love the effect of this. It looks like all the photos you've ever seen of Mars. What's that? Is that the sun? I think that might be the sun over there going down. Or something. Or is it one of the moons? Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. It's, I think they mean fear and loathing. They were the companions of the god Mars in Greek mythology. Okay, so let's start, I think, by building a quick little base here. Oops, something's gone wrong. We'll just build something quick here. Let's see, there's my building materials. That's food, machines, building supplies. What should I build it out of? Futura blocks. Let's build it out of these. Do I have my chisel? I think that's in the golden bag. Yes, there it is. So put this down. And we'll change these to something a little bit more planet-like. Circuit blocks. Let's try the factory blocks, I think. How big have I made this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make it a good old 9 by 9. 4, 7, 8, 9. Going to need some more. It's a good thing I made plenty more. And I've put away the building supplies bag, which was clever. Let's make a couple more stacks out. I might make the wall out of something different. So we need, what was it? No. Rusty one metal wall. So I've done a wall as my floor. Okay. All of a sudden I can't find it. That one? Yes. Maybe that wasn't the best choice, considering it's supposed to be a wall. Doesn't look too bad. Let's make something a bit more, something like a wall. Let's go with that one. I put the door over here. I'll eventually put an airlock on it, although I'll have a bubble distributor in here to give myself a lot of oxygen. There we go. But this will get us started with a half decent base. Because I'm going to have to do a fair bit of work here. I need materials for various quests, and without them I can't move on to other worlds. How's that? There's some moon rising again. You can see the gravity's a bit lower here than on Earth. It's about 1/3 the size of our planet, so you lose weight fairly quickly just by coming to Mars. Perfect. Look at that. That was 4 stacks of materials, and that's probably one of the ugliest buildings ever made. Now, I don't think there's any air here, so let us put up a few torches. I don't know whether we get mobs here like we do on the moon. Yes, we do. I can see the little red dots on the radar already. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to need to put up some power. Let's put this on the roof. Perfect. Solar generator. Let's go here. That's going to be fairly ugly. I think maybe there. Let's power out. Where's my other one? I think that's in this bag. Oh, maybe not. It's in this bag. Yes. Excellent. That's better. Put that there. Nice. We need not those. Where's my cables gone? I thought I put them in that bag. I didn't, obviously. So we have your power. We need the oxygen. Keep looking in the wrong bags. No. Oxygen collector. So put that there. There we go. Not enough power, which is not surprising considering it's night time. And I need leaves. I believe they're in here. Yes, they are. Look at that. I got it right first time. Just one more leaf. One more block of leaves. Cool. Excellent. That's a rather busy looking place. I don't know how long nights last on Mars. On the Moon they last, excuse me, they last quite a while. Quite a few Minecraft days. So, need that. What I wanted to try was whether this works on here as well. So I'll put this one here. Oops, that's not good. Maybe if I put a block of some kind. Where are we? No. Just put some of this marble. There we go. And we can put this solar panel. Ah, it's too close. So we need a bit more marble, I think, just to get it out a bit further. Excellent. Now, there's no sun at the moment. Do these cables connect? Yes, they do. Ooh. This might be... These ones are, depending on how effective they are, these ones are cheaper to build than these advanced solar panels. And I think they put out about the same amount of light. So we shall soon see when day comes back again. Okay. That's right, this has the same problem as on the Moon. Because of the low gravity, it's very hard to sort of get into these places. Now, the next thing I need to do is build one of these. Tesseract, give myself power. I think I'll put it just here. Put that down. Okay. I don't know why I did that. There's my Tesseract, there it is. So we have base power, that's what I need. Home, set. Oh no, we set this as Mars. Let's see if this gets us home. Now, the last time I've done this, looks like the recording is working fine. Okay, we're home. And that's really loud. So, now, that's really cool because that allows me, I can go to the Moon with this one, and Mars with this one, and move back and forth. And if I built another one on Mars, I could probably set up a Moon portal and put a portal on the for the Moon and just travel between the two. So that's really quite cool. Now, not sure that we need anything else for the moment. I'll just double check here. Now, like I said, we've got a few quests here to complete. Let's go. There's 5 quests. Okay, for some reason the moon buggy is not working. Let's have a look. Where did I put my moon buggy? It was here. So let's open this up. That's better. So we're going to collect these ones here. I'm not sure why I need those. We have a tier 4 schematic. There it is. A tier 2 rocket schematic. The buggy. Ah, that's handy. I'm not sure. I don't think they're all that expensive. Fuel pad, there we go. Well, compressed steel and blocks of iron for 9 of them. It's not too expensive. It's about 30 pieces of iron, some coal. That's alright. But still, free is good. And there's another buggy. Oh. Oh, I've got a flag, that's right. Right, so I've got 2 buggy fueling pads. Fair enough. Why can't I click that one? Oh, it's a bit bugged by the looks of it. Did I do that? Oh, okay, so it's detected I had all of these materials, so I could build a space station even though I never did. So for some reason that won't work. Let's... Okay, that's a bit of a pain. I can't collect that one, which means I can't move on to the next one. Or next two, so I have to reach Deimos and Phobos to collect those ones. That's alright. I've reached Mars. Oops, let's try that again. Let's go to Mars and see if it'll let me collect it. Right. So, oops. No, I still can't collect it. Ah, I see why. Yep, I should have checked that. I don't have enough room in my inventory for it. So it's my tier 2 rocket. Let's put that in here. Let's put the buggy in here. Rocket launch pads, some fuel. And let's try again. Oops. Overshot. Perfect. Now I have to collect 10 unrefined dash, which is good because back here, where are we? Machines and equipment, I believe. Yep. We have to make this thermal padding, which is made out of dash. So looks like it's daytime, so I don't think the days are very long. No, the nights are very long on the moon. Zombie's wearing a helmet. So let's have a little bit of a look around here and see what we can find. I see ice, compressed ice, or just plain old ice. Interesting. A strange little cave. Let's get rid of this. Oh. Go for some zombie juggling, because that's fun. Let's see if we can find another cave. I'll probably have to go mining. I don't think I'll just be able to find the dash that I need. Oh, that's very dark in there. And something just exploded. I wonder what that was. Hopefully not my power. No, that seems to be fine. Is this producing oxygen? It is. Now the next thing will be to build a space down there. I need some oxygen pipes. Perfect. That away. Let's go across here, I think. Maybe across here and then down that way. I can build a, put my bubble distributor. No, that's a compressor. I didn't build a bubble distributor. Okay, so I'm going to need to, actually, we might be able to put that there. Work out which way the, I think that's power. Yes, it is. So, there. Ah, perfect. And power, I think, will come down here. Now, theoretically, if I block this up, like so, it's going to check, and hopefully the oxygen will work properly. No, the area is too big, which is a bit of a pain. So I'm going to have to get a bubble make a bubble distributor to fix that problem up. So here we go. This is Mars. I'm hoping that somewhere around here, so I don't have to do too much digging. I can just show you what the dash looks like, but there's nothing on the surface. And what was that? That was arrows. Okay. No, it doesn't look like I'm going to find it this time. So, might have to go and do a little bit of digging. Where are we? Do I have my hammer? No, I don't. Where did I put it? It's in one of these bags, quite possibly in... Where's my backpack? That's not good. I appear to have lost a backpack. I might have put it in the moon base. Okay, let's do a little bit of digging down here with the pick. Hopefully, I can find what I'm looking for. I don't fancy my chances. This turns into cobble, which is really cool. No, okay. I don't think I'm going to find this in a hurry. So I might do some mining off camera and make the things that I need and see if I can find everything, and see if I can get the... Ah, that's what it was. That's what the explosion was. It was a fallen meteor. Is it the same thing as the moon ones? Ooh, it looks like it is. Ah, that's cool. We didn't plant one of these on the moon. Let's plant one on Mars. There we go. Ah, probably should have put something on it. Looks like I'm surrendering. But there you go. This is quite cool. I do like this, except for the problems with the... pain. Okay, more friends hanging around. And nothing interesting in here. On the low gravity, small holes are very hard to get into and out of in caves. You don't move very easily. But this is cool. I don't think there's any villages on Mars. I haven't seen anything about them. There's more eggs everywhere. So I might have to hatch one, I think. You can't take them with you when you leave Mars, so the little creatures stay here. So I could pick a Slimer and whatever colour I wanted and hatch him. I think you tame them by feeding them something. I'm not sure what, but that's how you get one as a pet. So other than that, they're a wild creature. What is on this is more dungeons, the tier 2 dungeons. So I also need to find some of those and fight the bosses in there, and get other things, but I don't think I need them in the same way that I needed to defeat them in the second one, because I think yes, I do. So now that I'm on Mars, I have to collect the dash, and then I can go and look for the dungeons and collect these other schematics. So it's a tier 3. Not sure how I got it, why I needed a tier 4 before the tier 3. It's a little bit weird. It's a tier 3 rocket and a cargo rocket. Okay, so it allows me to send things back to the overworld, which is really handy. So I could set up mines on here. Some of the same ores that are on back home are available here. So I will probably leave it here now. It's been about half an hour. We've made it to Mars. There's a fair bit to do here. I need to get the base working properly, get it all sealed up. The problem with the sealer may be down to this here. It may see that it's open, so I'll do some experimenting. Oh, I know what it is. It's this here. There's a huge hole in the roof. So I need to make an oxygen pipe sealer, and also one to carry the power through, which are fairly cheap. So I'll do those between episodes and fix this up, and hopefully I can get this oxygen sealer to work. I'll build a couple of airlocks here, which will help it again. But until then, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.